Duchene traded from the Avalanche, going bye-bye. And kind of sad the way this is unfolded. He always wanted to play for this team as a kid, and just stuff did not work out. But I think this is a perfect haul for the Avalanche for one player whose contract is up in 2019. Listen, you got Gerard, a left-handed defenseman. Barry and Marker are right-handed defensemen. Bowers will be a top 6 forward, I think. Kamenov has had nice numbers in the AHL. He adds to the depth on wing there. Bowers was just a first-round pick. Add another first, second, and third, and you got 6 players under the age of 22, and only one of them being over the age of 19. You're rebuilding. We traded one guy for a crop of pieces. A crop of pieces. Sam Girard, I think plus that first and second round draft pick would have been enough for Duchene, if you look at it. Now add a goalie who could be a good backup in case of an injury. 2 young forwards, a third-round pick. I think this is a great trade. Gerard was having one hell of a rookie season on the Preds. Again, Kamenov, one of the best centers on the AHL team. Mac is ready to take the next step. Duchene, yes, he has a 60-point ceiling. Mac has a 90-point ceiling. Don't worry, Avalanche fans. You did okay in this trade. Hope all is well.